Hey everyone, welcome back to another workout video. This one we're focusing on the lower abs, okay? It's going to be 6 minutes in total. There's going to be 2 rounds. It's going to be as many rounds as possible. So we're going to do 3 exercises, 10 reps of each. Once you finish that 3rd exercise, go straight back up to the first one. Keep working your way through them until 3 minutes is done, okay? Then we're going to have a short break. I'll explain the next 3 exercises, and then we're going to do the same thing for another 3 minutes, okay? So make sure you're warmed up. While you're doing that, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos like this one. Like if you enjoy it, and any comments, obviously put them down below, okay? Once you've done that, let's get into today's workout. Okay guys, so the exercise we're starting off with are leg raises, flutter kicks and Russian twists. Okay, so leg raises, you're going to be on your back, shoulders up off the floor, hands out in front of you, both legs come up as far as you can, okay? Then we've got our flutter kicks, okay? Again, down on your back, this time one foot goes just above the other one. We're counting on one leg, so that is 1, 2. Then Russian twist, again counting on one leg, bring your body up so it's about 45 degrees, knees at 90 degrees, hands come to the left side of your body and your right foot comes out, okay? And you bring your hands across your body as you extend your leg out. Again, that's 1, 2, yeah, counting on one leg, okay? So get yourself a timer. Once you finish those Russian twists, back up to the leg raises, okay? Let's do it. Okay, good work guys, that's round number 1 done. Hope you managed to do that one, smashed it. So, round number 2, we're going to be doing alternating leg raises, knee tucks, and reverse crunches. Okay, so, we did our leg raises on the last round. This time, we'll leave one foot on the floor, we bring the other leg up, okay? Knee tucks, you can put your hands behind you if you want, you bring your knees up to your chest, you drop your upper body and your legs out, and then you bring your knees back in again, yeah? And then your last one, reverse crunches, back flat on your back. You're gonna bring your legs all the way up, push your hips up to the sky, and come back down. Just come back down to here, so that your calves are parallel to the floor, okay? Same setup as last time, 10 reps, 3 minutes. Ready? Good stuff guys, and relax. Okay, nice. Hope you felt that one in your core. For an extra challenge, try and repeat that through again, okay? Or you can try and do it again tomorrow, but do it in 4 minutes rather than 3 minutes, okay? Okay, so hope you enjoyed this one. Like I say, hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on workouts for this one. Until next time guys, see you on the next one.